This is OPPO A77, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I would like to show how you can set up the fingerprint recognition screen lock method. So launch settings, go for the password and security, then tap at the fingerprint, agree, continue, then select the backup screen lock method you would like to go with. I'll go with pattern personally. Then once this continue button becomes active, you gotta obviously tap on it. Then set up whatever backup screen lock method you went with. And now we can start adding the fingerprint by simply laying and lifting our fingerprint at and from the sensor. That is, as you can see, located at the side power button. So slightly rotate your finger each time you lay it onto the scanner, and do that until the entire surface of your fingertip will be scanned and enrolled. Then hit the done button, and well, that will be it. Now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the screen of your device. The next option I wanted to share you can find at the display category of settings. It is called the refresh rate, or well, screen refresh rate to be 100% precise. Two values to choose from. You can either go with high or standard value, 60 or well rather 90 and 60 Hz respectively. Higher value, as you can see from the preview, will get you smoother animations and overall visual experience, but standard value will reduce the power consumption. So if you would like to conserve as much battery as possible, go for standard value. If maintaining power or charge is none of your concern and you would much rather go for smoother visuals, go for the high value. As easy as that. The next option is rather a small one. It's a small tip. So as you can see, currently the battery percentage is not displayed at the status bar. So if you would like to show it, you gotta go for settings, then notifications and status bar, then go for the status bar, battery percentage, and choose whether you would like to have it inside the battery icon or outside. And here you have it. The last two tips that I have, both are performance related and will help you to well improve and increase the system performance. So the first one is well, you can find at the battery category of settings, then go for more settings and enable the high performance mode. And as you can see from the feature description, the system will always operate at a high performance mode, at the mode of increased performance, using all the capabilities or capacities that it has built in, but it comes at the expense of increased power consumption. So well, make your choice. And fifth and final tip is how you can extend or increase the random access memory amount. By default, this device has 4 GB of RAM, and if you would like to increase it, go for the About Device category, then hit the RAM section, turn on the RAM expansion switch, choose whether you would like to expand your RAM by 1, 2 or 4 GB. And well, that's an important choice since you gotta factor in the fact that the well gigabytes do not appear from nowhere. The system pretty much occupies the respective amount of internal storage and commands those gigabytes to behave as virtual RAM. So if you would like to sacrifice 1, 2 or 4 gigabytes of your phone memory respectively in the name of improved and increased system performance, you can absolutely do that. And finally, in order for those changes to be applied or to take effect, you gotta simply, or well, I mean changes, when I say changes, I mean the RAM expansion in particular, you gotta reboot the device, and after your phone gets restarted, you'll get additional whatever amount you went for, number of gigabytes, or additional gigabytes of RAM. Alrighty, so that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.